What's going on, YouTube? Last night I dropped a short video on a power outage, and just basically what would you do? It's been 3 days, you don't know what's going on, anything like that, no news, no info, and it was to just get some conversation started maybe on some of this off-grid, EMP, all the BS, the stuff you hear going on in the news and things like that. So I wanted to start the conversation with that video. And another thing I've done this year with starting this YouTube channel was I wanted to give back to the community, so to speak, because I've learned so much. I got a notice the other day, I've had this YouTube channel for 13 years. Well, for 12 and a half years, all I did was watch and learn from YouTube. So I'm starting to do some videos for the community. So the other night, I found another new YouTuber. It was Michigan Prepared. And he did a video. It was called, I had to write this down. It was, do you know how to use your preps? And in the video, he talked about, where are your preps? So twice this spring, we've had power outages here. And we typically don't. The last power outage was 10 years ago. But twice this spring, we had power outages. And I was at work when it happened. We were without power for 3 days. Now I can go downstairs blindfolded and find everything I need down there. I spend a lot of time down there. It's kind of my shop, if you will. But my wife was home alone with a one-eyed, three-legged dog, and she couldn't find the hallway in the dark. So what I wanted to do with this video today was just show some options out there that you can incorporate preps for power outages into your home that are easily accessible and be aesthetically pleasing as well. So I have my wonderful wife to thank for this. So behind me is the fireplace in our family room. And on the sides of me here are two new cupboards, and I don't know where she bought them, but basically there was nothing there. I think we had some pictures or something there prior to that. But she took AI and she asked AI to design her family room for power outages, so it would be aesthetically pleasing. And I think the question to AI was that simple when she did it. So it came up with these cabinets, and it gave some ideas inside, the oil lamps, candles, things like that. So I've done that. We've put this all in place here. And fellas, if you want to get your wives into prepping, we spend all kinds of money on guns and gear and ammo and all the fun stuff, right? Maybe some food storage. Let your wife spend some money making your place aesthetically pleasing as well. So I'm going to pause this for a minute. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to get up close and show you some of the things she's incorporated to make this nice, and where she can come down here in the dark by herself and find everything she needs for some light till I get home from work. Okay, so to start, the lamps that are on each side of the TV up there, that's a Samsung frame TV. It's a picture in there now. But the lamps are rechargeable. They're battery powered. They're operated from a remote. Let's see how well this works. I haven't checked the battery in it. If I can't turn them on with the remote, I can turn them on by hand. Come on, baby, come on. All right, so I might have to check the battery in that. Check the charge, but you turn them on. It's as easy as that. They set up here in the lamp. There, the other one just came out with the remote. I guess I didn't hit the right button. So that's what it looks like in the lamp. And I just left it out so you could see it here. It's a regular phone charger is what charges those. I'm not sure where she got them, probably Amazon. Okay, so this first cabinet, she's got a couple candles. I'm going to blow this one out. It's been burning a little bit. Hold on. These candles here are battery operated. Okay. Then, another candle. We've got other stuff in here as well. So we've got like the baby stuff. We keep the grandson on Fridays. I got some gloves down here for when there's wood in the fireplace and we need to feed the fire. Also, there's a fire starting kit that I keep. Old NBC container from the service. Matches, lighter. That cord will start fire as well. And also I keep a couple lighters and a flashlight, rechargeable flashlight on hand. So that's that one. And we come over here to this one, and we have oil lamp. And no, I would not burn these typically. With the doors closed, I would pull the oil lamp out and place it on top, but it's there. The brass, that's a brass oil lamp. And another brass oil lamp she got at an antique store. I think they were 25 bucks for both of them. She has some more candles here. And then down below, we've got a little bit of lamp oil. Another rechargeable light. So these are things just to make it easy for mama in a power outage. So know your preps, know where they are. And fellas, it's okay to you want to get your wife involved. Let her do things her way a little bit. It helps. You know, all the flashlights and batteries that I store that she don't know where they are don't help her a bit. So I could see why she'd be uninterested in the things I do. But anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you got a little something out of this, and that Off-Grid Michigan Prepared. Thanks for that video you put out the other day. It really got me thinking. It's Off-Grid with Michigan Prepared. That's the channel. A little shout out to him. I'll go check him out. He's got the other the old one-eyed, three-legged dog. Hard at guard. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. Much appreciated.